Hello, welcome to Order Design Solution. This is Yogesh. Today we are going to design the one cycle chain as you are seeing now, and also we can do the simulation also. Let us start with the part design.
Zombie apocalypse.
Yeah, first of all we need to draw the one outer line. Let us select part design. Here click OK. Select the YZ plane. Then try to draw the curves as you are seeing now. Now we can increase our radius. It is 25. Here we can put as 45. Yeah, is enough. Then try to go to the surface design. Then try to offset the profile as you are seeing now. With 5 mm is enough. Select the reverse direction, preview, then click OK. It is the outer line. Now outer line is over. Now we will start the link one design. Yeah, now we need to design the first link. For that one we need to open the part design. Let us open that one. Yeah, part design is opened. Here we need to select the YZ plane. Then try to draw the circle with 5 mm dia. And then 10 mm dia. Then again draw to an axis line. With distance is 12.5 mm. Then again try to draw the another circle with 5 mm dia and another circle with 10 mm dia. dia. Then try to extrude these circles with 8 mm. Just click OK. Then select the plane, sketch. Then again try to project these circles. Then try to draw the one arc as you are seeing in now. Tangent, same as it is for this one also. Yeah, again try to mirror it. Yeah, then increase the radius 8 mm. Yeah, is enough. Then try to trim the unnecessary lines. Yeah, exit. Try to extrude the part up to 1 mm. 1 mm is enough. Then again try to draw here. Height to show. Then exit. Then extrude the up to 1 mm. Preview, click OK. Again try to select the plane. Then try to draw the circle with dia 5. Then try to coincidentally this circle, these two circles. Yeah, same as it for opposite side also. 5 mm. Extrude, try to coincident. Then exit. Then pocket up to next. Preview. Then click OK. Yeah, it's perfect. The link 1 is over. Now we are going to design the link 2. For that one, same as it is, we need to open the part design. Let us open that one. Yeah, it's opened. Here we need to same again, we need to draw the 5 mm dia circle. Then again try to draw the one axis line with the distance same as it is 12.5. Then again try to draw the circle with 5 mm. With 5 mm dia is enter. Then click OK. Extrude the part up to 10 mm. Mirror. Give the 5 mm. Mirror it. Yeah, it is enough. Then try to select the any face of the circle and then try to draw the with 10 mm circle. Then coincident. Yeah, same as it is for opposite side also. Diameter is 10 mm. Then try to coincident with the this circle. Yeah. Now we need to draw the one arc. Then try to make it tangent for these two circles. Tangent. Click OK. Same here also we need to do tangent. Click OK. Then try to give the radius is 8 mm is enough. Yeah. Try to mirror it. Yeah. Now we need to delete the unnecessary lines. Yeah, it's over. Then exit. Then try to extrude up to 1 mm is enough. Preview. Click OK. same as it is for here. Try to show, and then extrude, try to show, then exit from workbench, extrude up to 1 mm, preview, click OK. Yeah, the link 2 is also over. Now we need to assemble the chain. Yeah, now we are going to assemble the link 1 and outer line. For that one we need to open the assemble design section. Let us open. Yeah, it's open. Wait. First of all, before going to assembly, we need to do one work. What it is means, try to open the links. Link 1, open the link 1, then try to make it one duplicate plane at center point, as you are seeing now. Now we will do. Give 4 mm distance. Is it perfect? Okay. Now we are going to add the point. Yeah. Then again try to put a one more point and then make it coincident with the outer line. Yeah, perfect. Then exit, then save. Why means when we are doing assembly, these points are necessary. Later you will know how it is useful. Then try to open the another link, which is second link. Open it. Then same, it is in center position, not an issue. Then try to sketch. Then okay. Then exit. Here we need to draw the 5 mm diameter circles. Simple. It has a diameter is 5 mm. Then coincidency. Yes. Then try to exit. Pad. RL sketch. Here also we need to draw. Diameter is 5 mm. It has a diameter is 5 mm. Then make it coincident with the outer circle. Yeah. Exit from workbench. Pad up to 1 mm is enough. Yeah. Then try to transfer this pad to another side. Then click OK. Yeah, it's perfect. And then one more thing, we need to put as one more point also here. Is coincident with this circle. Yes, okay, perfect. And here also. sorry, make it a vertical plane, vertical line. Not an issue. Select the perfect. Then exit. Then try to save. Now we need to assemble the links. For that one we need to open the assemble design section. Let us open that one. Then components, existing components. First of all, outer line, then link 1. Then try to coincidentally this point and this circle. Then apply. One more point also there. Point, surface, apply. Make it sure once again. Point, sorry, curve and point, apply. It is assembled perfectly. It is in center. It is perfect. Now we need to do the simulation for this one. Let us open the kinematic section. It's open. Make it sure first of all fix the outer line, mechanism 1, fix the outer line, then try to give the point and curve joint. Select the curve, point, click OK. Then try to same as it is, point and curve, point, click OK. And here we need to do one more thing. Height to show. It is at not an issue. We will transfer it. If you want, we can go to the or else open the link 1. It is there. Then select the sketch, transfer, into there. Not an issue. First of all, we need to create the one more duplicate plane for transfer. Select the transfer. Distance, give the 2 mm. Click OK. Then select the sketch, transfer, click OK. Select the duplicate plane, click OK. It is not for, or else make it sketch, select the plane, sketch, product 3D element, then I to show, then exit, then save. Now we need to open the assembled section. Let us open that one. Product, it is. Up to now we will give the 3 joints. You can see here in kinematics we give the 3 joints, point and curve joints, point and curve. Again we need to give the solid curve joint. For that one select the outer curve and then try to select this circle, then click OK. Then try to give the trivial length. It is simulated. Click OK. Then try to simulate. It is traveling. Then we need to insert the another link. For that one we need to open the assemble design section. Again try to open the components, existing components, link to open, then try to make it coincident with the curve, outer curve, coincident tool, point, curve, click OK, then apply, then try to take it out. Yeah, perfect. Sorry, we did a mistake. We need to coincidentally this point and then this point, then apply. Yeah, then coincidentally point and yes, apply. Make it sure again, curve, point, it's automatically updated. This is automatically perfect. Then try to open the kinematic section. Let us open that one. Here you need to give the one revoluted joint. Select the revoluted joint, select the center axis as you are seeing now, then try to select the surfaces, offset, then click OK. Perfect, it is assembled perfectly. And then try to give the one more joint is point and curve joint. Select the point and curve, then click OK. Yeah, you can see the mechanism can simulated. You can simulate. It is traveling fully. Cancel. Same as it is. Repeat the fully overlay. It means I will show 1 to 2. Then try to open the assemble design section. Then again try to open the components, existing components. Try to insert the link one, open, then try to coincident with the curve, then apply, then try to take it out. Yeah, control it, it is there. Coincident, select the coincident tool, selected OK. Again try to then apply, it is there, or else make it delete it. I think this is the one. Need to remove this one. Sorry. Yeah. Here select the coincident tool, curve, then again coincident tool, point and curve, then apply. It is awesome. Make it sure once again, curve one, point, then apply. It is perfect. Try to open the kinematic section. Then first of all try to add the revoluted joint. Center axis, surfaces, put as offset, then click OK. Then try to give the point and curve joint, then click OK. The mechanism can simulated. Then same as it is, you need to repeat, you need to do the repeat again up to complete this outer circle. Yeah, after completing of assembly fully this horizontal line, then you will face some problem, like try to insert the component. Sorry, it is in kinematic section. Let us open. Try to open the assembled design section. Then exit the components, existing components. Try to open the link one. Yeah, perfect. Then try to coincident with the curve. See, it is not selecting. This curve is not selecting. It means what to do? You completed this horizontal, fully horizontal line. You need to add the links in this curve. What to do? This line is not selecting. Then what to do now? For that one, we need to do, try open the kinematic section. Select the simulation with command. Then try to adjust the your links. These links will be adjusted to this curve. Then try to add then continue the assembly. Then try to open the components, existing components, select the link, open, then coincident, point, then curve, then coincident, point, apply. Yeah, then coincident tool, curve and point, apply. Then try to open the kinematic section, add the revoluted joint, coincidence, surfaces, offset, click OK. Yeah, then try to give the point and curve joint, click OK. The mechanism can simulated. Then try to fill this horizontal. Then again try to adjust your links. Try to adjust these links, like here you can adjust. Yeah, adjust it. Then close. Then again try to go to the assemble design section, assemble. Then again try to insert the components, existing components, select the link one, then try to select the coincident tool, point, curve, apply. You can see the links will be disassembled with the line. For that one, we need to do, when you adjust these links to this curve, then try to do these commands what you have, which command is showing the apply symbol. Try to select the all those commands. And then try to do the as you are seeing now. Now you can select the coincident tool, point, curve, apply. Yeah, same again, coincident tool, point, sorry, curve and point, then apply. Make it sure again, curve and point, apply. Again try to go to the kinematic section, select the revoluted joint, surfaces, offset, and then try to go to the, it will show like this. Then try to go to the, nothing worry, try to go to the assemble design section, then apply. It will assemble. Then again try to go to the kinematic section and then select the point and curve joint, select the curve and point, click OK. You can see the mechanism can simulate it same as it is. Repeat this again and again and again. If you do, you can complete our chain. Yeah, the final product will be like this. You need to continuously add the links and we need to do the simulation. We need to do continuously, simultaneously, one by one, one by one, one by one. It is finally, the final product will be like this. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, do subscribe to my channel.